Hi everyone, I'm Tara. This is my 2011 BMW M3 hardtop convertible. Today I'll be showing you the junk in my trunk. I got the idea for this video because a lot of girls are doing videos on what's in my purse, but I actually don't carry a purse. I have a credit card in my cell phone case and I just have my keys on a lanyard and I'm good to go. So this is what I have in my door. So I have hand sanitizer, my sunglasses, tissues, and because I have a convertible, I have sunscreen for my face, and here is my favorite lip balm. In my middle console, I have gum, a portable charger that's also a flashlight. This is my phone camera remote, some change, mints, pen, paper, my lip pencil, and a pry tool. So when the roof is down, there's not much trunk space at all. This is what my trunk looks like when the roof is in there. So I will close the roof so that I can access the rest. Okay, now I can lift up the partition and you can see the rest. These are my tripods that I always have in my car, the big one and a little one. And it's my toolkit. I've got a blanket which I mostly use just to protect my back seats when I'm transporting stuff back there. In this kit, I have jumper cables, a little first aid kit. This is actually useful, a help sign, and a call police sign. I have my BMW manual, and the tow hook, which is in there. Okay, I'll show you my favorite thing. My air compressor. My trunk is actually too small to carry a spare tire, so luckily I have this and I've been able to pump up my flat tires on the side of the road a few times, and I've even been able to save my friends as well. Okay, I've got a water bottle, a granola bar, gloves, double-sided tape, and a couple zap straps. I have a shopping bag. The IKEA bag is my favorite because it's huge. And these are my cleaning supplies, glass wipes, Meguiar's Tire Shine, and Meguiar's Quick Detailer. Got some disinfectant wipes, sunscreen and mosquito repellent, garbage bag, cloths for cleaning, and these are my souvenir license plates for my photo shoots. And that's all the junk in my trunk. Thanks for watching.